Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to show you something real quick. You've probably seen, just driving around, if you see somebody's sprinkler system running, occasionally you'll see one that is just a geyser. They've got this one sprinkler head that's shooting a lot of water just straight up into the air, and the problem is they have a broken sprinkler head, and that's a big issue because you're wasting water. The rest of your zone is not getting pressure, so your lawn's not getting water properly. So I wanted to show you the primary reason that happens, and it's right here. It's actually a pretty simple issue. Um, the sprinkler head pops up whenever you run your sprinkler system, and then it doesn't retract, so it's stuck in this upright position. And what happens is you run your lawnmower and you don't see it, and you hit it and it breaks it off, or you have kids and they kick it and break it off, or you trip over it, whatever it might be. But that's the primary reason why you have those gushers. And so you really have to watch out for this kind of stuff, especially if you turn your sprinkler system on for the first time. I just turned mine on last week for the first time all year, which is unheard of. But we've had so much rain this year that we haven't need to run it. So what you need to do once you run your sprinkler system, just walk around, keep an eye out for any heads that are stuck in the upright position, and you need to address those. One thing you can do, it might be that there's sand or some sort of debris that's causing it to stick in that position. So you can turn your sprinkler system on, and then use your foot to just kind of push it up and down to kind of release any debris that might be stuck in there. That might fix it. If it doesn't fix it, then it's a spring issue. There's a spring inside your sprinkler heads. You're just going to have to replace the entire sprinkler head at that point. That's what you're going to have to do. So it's a pretty easy fix, but if you don't address it, it will become a problem because they will break very, very easily. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. Thanks.